Hello. As you know, when using the large language models like ChatGPT through the API, we are using the prompts. The prompts are free for daily usage. However, they are not free for software development when we call the API. The longer prompts becomes more expensive, more price. Or shorter one becomes shorter, lesser. So, they are charging us based on the length of our prompt. That's why we have to be mindful about it, especially for retrieval augmented generation or AG tasks. We are asking question first to our vector database and getting the results, and we are injecting these results into our prompts. It makes our prompts longer, more pricey. So how can we optimize compress our prompts? Manually doesn't work. What if someone could shorten these prompts for us? By shortening, I mean the removing unnecessary content, unnecessary token from the prompt. It's possible. Using library called selective content, we can shorten these prompts. Moreover, it doesn't significantly impact the performance, but can reduce the costs nearly 80%. There's another alternative, LLM Lingua. It's a little bigger and heavy. Let's have a look at how it works. The selective context, I'm installing required library. As a vector database, I'm using Deep Lake, and as a backend LLM, I'm using OpenAI, and it is my embedding model. As we see, it's my pro template, and I'm asking a question. I'm sending this question to my vector DB. It is my context. Actually, I'm using 3, 4, 5 top key retrievals. However, in that case, just for example, I'm using just only one chunk from the context. It is the length of my context. But when I use the selective context library, as we see, reduced context becomes lesser token, less length becomes very short. So how I'm using, I'm calling the selective context library, then I am setting the reduce ratio, and that's it. So by the way, this selective context library will help you to make quicker and less expensive prompts for your pipelines. As I said, it achieves it by removing unnecessary tokens from the embedding before sending them to the LLM. I hope you like this technique and this video. Have a good one.